Hello, I'm Joel from Belle Property Cairns and welcome to another Palm Cove Market update, this time for March 2024. The Palm Cove Market remains quite buoyant with continued growth to home and apartment prices. Our general stock availability for buyers is still very lean and turns over quite quickly in most segments, which is keeping the supply and demand ratio well within check. We have seen a few quieter months in terms of our holiday letting bookings, which I will attribute partly to the Cyclone Jasper floods and the very average weather we've been having up here in far north Queensland. It does seem bookings for the upcoming holiday season are filling quite quickly though, so I'm hoping we can make up for the slower months over the June-October period. Income is paramount to apartment prices, so we will be watching this closely moving forward. It feels any property that has reasonable income or is a good option for owner-occupiers is quickly being snapped up and most likely at a higher price than the last one sold. This is especially true under the $1 million price point, which I feel is quite a bit more liquid right now. I've certainly had quite a few sales off market recently to buyers that have been looking for something very specific with very limited stock available for them, and they paid record prices to secure them off market. So all in all, we have had more growth, although not as much as last year, but still in the positive category. There is continued demand from buyers, low stock levels, and on top of that, potential interest rate cuts on the horizon. On the flip side, we have had a slower start to the year in terms of holiday letting, which will impact net returns for holiday let apartments, but there's a lot more positive forces than negative ones in the market, so I expect to see things remain quite stable for the immediate future. Now to the market statistics. Apartments. The median apartment price is now at $452,000, an increase of 17% on the previous 12 months. And the average unit price is now $621,000, an increase of 26% over the previous 12 months. There have been 125 recorded apartment sales in Palm Cove over the last year, which is down from 170 in the previous 12 months. This is a 26% difference in the amount of properties sold in the apartment category. Now to houses. The median house price is currently at $1.17 million, an increase of 15%, and the average house price in Palm Cove is now at $1.1 million, actually a slight decrease of 2% over the previous 12 months. There were 42 recorded home sales in Palm Cove over the previous 12 months, down 41% from the 71 that had sold the year prior. What's for sale in Palm Cove? Currently in Palm Cove, there are just 52 properties advertised for sale on realestate.com. Only 42 of these are not under offer. So this is just 17 houses and 25 apartments that are currently available for purchase. This is great news for sellers as the limited stock gives buyers only maybe one or two options that will be suitable for them. Properties priced within reason that are solid investments or suitable for owner occupiers should move quite quickly in the low to mid range of the market. Belle Property remains the market leaders in Palm Cove. I've personally sold 38 properties in Palm Cove over the last year, and Belle Property Cairns has in total sold 52. So here at Belle, we have been involved in 31% of all home and apartment sales in the suburb. If you are considering selling, I'm more than happy to have a quick chat with you and provide an achievable price for your property and to discuss the immediate demand for your property type. If you haven't had your property valued in the last few years, you may be pleasantly surprised. Thank you once again for watching my market review for Palm Cove, and I hope to see you on the Esplanade.